the uniqueness result may be true for the transaction probability tensor with irreducibility. We do not have a proof yet, so we leave it as an open problem. The worker in this talk will be published in Llama and MLA. Llama, linear algebra and multilinear algebra. The MLA is numerical linear algebra with applications. This work was signed by some author. Example by Professor Zhang Gongqing and Qi Liqing in the manuscript. Thank you very much for your attention. Sorry for my English is not good.
Are there any questions?
Can you go back to theorem 2.4, please?
2.4 2.4
I just have a simple question about it.
OK 2.4。这个主要是
啊？
2.4。
这样